Onion juice for extreme hair growth. Stop hair loss. For those seeking a natural and potent solution to combat hair loss and encourage extreme hair growth, a remarkable remedy lies within the humble onion. This carefully crafted approach, designed to be applied twice weekly, has demonstrated effectiveness across a spectrum of hair loss concerns. Whether your hair thinning is attributed to autoimmune responses, nutritional deficiencies, or even an unwelcome overgrowth of fungi or other pathogens on the scalp, this onion-based treatment offers a promising avenue for recovery. The core of this remedy is the juice extracted from an onion, and as we delve deeper, you'll discover methods to significantly amplify its efficacy, taking this natural solution to an entirely new level. Many individuals approach such remedies with a healthy dose of skepticism, a sentiment that is entirely understandable given the proliferation of ineffective products in the market. A common question that arises is whether applying onion juice to the hair will leave an undesirable onion scent. Rest assured, by following the application and rinsing instructions, which involve shampooing your hair twice after the treatment, any trace of onion odor will be completely eliminated, leaving your hair fresh and clean. The remarkable properties of onions that contribute to hair health are primarily attributed to their rich sulfur content and a potent antioxidant called quercetin. While sulfur itself might not be directly linked to preventing hair loss, it serves as a crucial building block for keratin, the primary protein that constitutes the very structure of our hair. Keratin is intrinsically sulfur-based, meaning that an adequate supply of sulfur is essential for its production and the subsequent strength and integrity of hair strands. Beyond its sulfur contribution, onions boast an exceptionally high concentration of quercetin. This powerful flavonoid plays a multifaceted role in hair rejuvenation. One of its most significant contributions is its ability to help suppress autoimmune attacks on hair follicles. This is particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing alopecia areata, a condition characterized by patchy hair loss, where the immune system mistakenly targets hair follicles. By modulating these immune responses, quercetin can help create a more hospitable environment for hair regrowth. Furthermore, quercetin plays a vital role in promoting hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles themselves. It actively works to increase the levels of growth hormones within the hair follicle, essentially signaling to the roots that it's time to initiate and sustain the hair growth cycle. This hormonal influence is critical for reviving dormant follicles and encouraging the production of new hair. Adding to its impressive resume, quercetin is also a formidable antimicrobial agent. This means it possesses the capacity to protect your scalp from the proliferation of undesirable microorganisms such as yeast, fungi, and mold. For those struggling with conditions like dandruff or other scalp irritations, the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of quercetin can provide significant relief and contribute to a healthier scalp environment conducive to hair growth. The preparation of this transformative hair treatment is refreshingly straightforward, and we will soon explore some ingenious tweaks to elevate its power even further. The foundation of this entire recipe lies in the use of an organic red onion, as red onions are known to contain the highest levels of quercetin. To begin, take one red onion and chop it into small, manageable pieces. Place these chopped pieces into a blender and blend them until a smooth slurry is formed. The next crucial step is to separate the liquid from the pulp. This can be achieved by pouring the blended onion mixture through a fine mesh sieve, or more effectively, through a piece of cheesecloth, allowing the pure onion juice to collect in a clean container. A squeeze bottle can be a convenient tool for application, but a simple mason jar or any small container will suffice. When you are ready to apply the treatment, ideally in the shower, begin by getting your hair wet. Then, using your chosen container, carefully massage the extracted onion juice deep into your scalp and hair roots. Spend a few minutes ensuring thorough coverage and gentle stimulation of the scalp. Once the onion juice has been thoroughly massaged into your hair, exit the shower and dry your body. At this point, the mixture should be left in your hair for a designated period. While a minimum of 30 minutes is recommended, leaving it in for an hour is often more beneficial for maximizing its impact. To keep the mixture contained and avoid mess, using a shower cap is a practical suggestion during this waiting period. After the allotted time, return to the shower to rinse out the onion juice thoroughly. Crucially, shampoo your hair twice to ensure that any lingering odor is completely eliminated, leaving your hair feeling refreshed and smelling neutral. This entire process should be repeated twice a week for a period of approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Many individuals begin to observe noticeable signs of hair regrowth starting around the third or fourth week of consistent application. Now, let us explore two exciting enhancements that will elevate your hair growth results to an even higher echelon. The first modification is quite remarkable, but the second promises to be truly groundbreaking. These enhancements involve the simple act of incorporating additional beneficial ingredients into the onion juice mixture. The first of these ingenious additions is the incorporation of 5 drops of rosemary oil. The efficacy of rosemary oil in promoting hair growth is not merely anecdotal. It is supported by scientific research. A randomized trial conducted in 2015 made a compelling comparison between rosemary oil and a leading medication prescribed for alopecia. The study's findings revealed that rosemary oil, when used on its own, demonstrated an efficacy comparable to that of the established medication. This remarkable outcome is attributed to the presence of several phytonutrients in rosemary oil that possess potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Furthermore, rosemary oil is known to stimulate the scalp, thereby increasing blood flow and nutrient delivery to the hair follicles. Its anti-inflammatory actions also make it highly effective for addressing autoimmune-related hair loss. The efficacy of onion juice alone has also been substantiated by robust scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology divided participants into 2 groups. One group applied onion juice to their hair while the control group used plain water. Astonishingly, within just 6 weeks, the group that utilized onion juice reported significant hair regrowth in an impressive 86.9% of cases. In stark contrast, the control group that used only water experienced a mere 13% result. This stark difference highlights the profound impact of onion juice on stimulating hair regeneration. Further supporting these findings, a study conducted on mice provided even more compelling evidence. In this research, mice that were treated with quercetin, a key compound isolated from onions, showed remarkable regeneration of hair across all treated groups. The untreated control groups conversely exhibited no hair regrowth, underscoring the specific and powerful regenerative capabilities of quercetin. To truly supercharge this recipe and unlock its maximum potential for hair growth, we will now delve into the advanced technique of fermenting the onion juice. This process not only enhances the existing benefits, but also introduces new therapeutic properties. To prepare the fermented onion juice, begin with 1 organic red onion. Remove the peel and chop the onion into small pieces. Place these pieces into a blender and blend them into a fine slurry. Strain the pulp to extract the pure onion juice. Transfer this juice into a clean mason jar. Now add 8 ounces of filtered water to the jar. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of sea salt and half a teaspoon of raw honey. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Cover the mouth of the mason jar with cheesecloth or a coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. Place the jar on your countertop at room temperature to allow it to ferment for a period of 72 hours. During the fermentation process, you will likely observe the emergence of small carbon dioxide bubbles, particularly noticeable from the 2nd day onwards. This bubbling indicates the active metabolic processes of beneficial microbes. This fermentation process significantly enhances the concentration and bioavailability of quercetin within the onion juice. Moreover, the nutritional profile of the mixture is further enriched as the microbes actively synthesize additional vitamins during fermentation. In essence, we are transforming the already potent antidote for hair loss, onion juice, into an even more powerful and magnified solution. An additional benefit of this fermentation is the alteration of the onion juice's pH. It becomes more acidic, reaching a pH of approximately 5, which is highly therapeutic and beneficial for the scalp. After the 72-hour fermentation period, strain the liquid again through cheesecloth to remove any remaining solids. It is advisable to store this fermented onion juice in a squeeze bottle for easy application. The application method for the fermented onion juice remains consistent with the previous instructions. Begin by wetting your hair. Then carefully massage the fermented onion juice into your scalp and hair roots for several minutes, ensuring thorough coverage. After application, exit the shower and allow the mixture to remain on your scalp for at least 1 hour. Using a shower cap during this time is recommended. Following the waiting period, return to the shower and rinse your hair extremely thoroughly. Subsequently, shampoo your hair twice to ensure the complete removal of any residue or odor. It is recommended to perform this treatment twice a week for a duration of 6 weeks, or potentially longer, depending on your individual hair loss concerns and the progress you observe. Beyond the topical applications, it is crucial to consider other vital factors that significantly influence hair growth and loss. Vitamin D plays a remarkably complex role in the mechanisms of hair growth and the processes that lead to hair loss. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is paramount. It is recommended to supplement with at least 10,000 to 20,000 IUs of vitamin D3 daily, or to ensure consistent and safe exposure to sunlight. Furthermore, paying close attention to your dietary intake is essential. Consuming a diet rich in nutrients that support hair health is fundamental for optimal results. If you have not yet explored dietary strategies for hair growth, I highly recommend checking out the linked video that addresses this topic in detail. By combining these potent natural remedies with a holistic approach to health and nutrition, you can effectively address hair loss and encourage robust, extreme hair growth.